Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special car from our buddy Mike over at Airlift. This is going to be a multi-part series. There's going to be a lot of things going into this for later in the year. But to start with, we're going to do an FI exhaust system on this today and then some tuning updates. I will say be on the lookout for it, as it's going to be a SEMA build at the Airlift booth. It's going to be, obviously, we're going to do air suspension on it later and some other goodies that he has in store that we will keep under wraps for now. But yeah, check it out. We're going to get this thing racked up and start tearing the exhaust off. Alright, to start with, we've got the car up in the air, so I'll go through and I'll soak everything just to get it all lubricated up so it comes apart easy. For all the hangers, the bolts, all that. And then I'm going to pull this apart in sections. I'll start at the rear up to where the V-bands are. We'll pull all that out, and then I'll go up front and we'll pull that front section out.